Okay, so how to create a meeting using your Gmail account? First, you need to click this 9 dots or the Google Apps. Click natin. So, punta tayo dito sa Meet. Click natin yung Meet. Okay, after clicking the Meet, click natin yung New Meeting. Okay, then create a meeting for a letter or start an instant meeting or schedule in Google Calendar. No? So, gawin natin dito first is create a meeting for later. No? Pwede natin i-send natin sa Messenger or sa Gmail nila. Okay, then ito na yung Google Meet link natin, pati may kasama dito na pin or dial in and also the pin. So, ang gawin natin dito is copy lang natin itong link. Okay, so yun lang po ang pag-create ng meetings, no? Using your Gmail account. Now, paano po mag-join using your Gmail account? Paano po mag-join sa meeting? Okay, so I'll give you an example, no? So, click natin, example sa akin dito is Word. Pero yung iba, nagsisend po sila sa Messenger or sa Gmail ninyo. So, you need to click na lang. So, I give you an example in the Word, no? In Word. Okay, so ito yung link, no? Example. So, example for the link, you need to click the link. Okay, click ko lang tong link para mapunta doon sa browser. Okay, so ito na yung link. Okay, then close nyo lang yung camera at saka yung microphone, then ask to join. Okay, so meaning you are waiting for the approval of the admin of the meeting. No? So waiting pa lang po kayo until please wait until the meeting host bring you into the call. So pag in-accept na kayo, that's the time makapasok na kayo sa Google Meet. Okay, yun lang po and I hope may natutunan. Thank you and God bless.